Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 9. This is Miss Samreen, your science teacher. When I told you about the definition of chemistry, I have told you chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the composition, properties and changes of matter. Our today's topic is about the changes of matter or chemical reactions. There are two types of changes, physical changes and chemical changes. Now physical changes. Any change which does not change the composition of a substance is a physical change. For example, melting of ice is a physical change. If we keep ice at room temperature, it converts into liquid water, and when we provide heat to this liquid water, it changes into steam. Here the composition of all three substances remains same. The composition of ice is H2O, the composition of water is H2O, and again the composition of steam is H2O. So these three changes are the examples of physical change in which the composition of a substance remains same. Now the chemical changes or chemical reactions. Any change which changes the composition of a substances is a chemical change or chemical reaction. For example, rusting of iron is a chemical reaction. When iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of moisture, it forms rust, right? The symbol of iron is Fe, oxygen is O2. When it reacts with oxygen in the presence of moisture, Fe2O3, that is iron oxide is formed. Here the composition of both the substances has changed. The second example is burning of coal. When carbon reacts with oxygen, a process of combustion takes place and carbon dioxide is formed with the removal of heat energy. The third example is combustion of methane. When methane gas reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide and water. In all three examples, the composition of a substance has changed. So these are the chemical change or chemical reactions. Now the types of chemical reactions. There are 5 types of chemical reactions. Number 1 is decomposition reactions. Decomposition means to decompose a substance or to break the substance into pieces. A reaction in which a chemical substance breaks down to form two or more substances is a decomposition reaction. For example, AB, when we provide heat energy to this AB, it decomposes into A and B. XYZ is a substance. For suppose when we provide heat energy to XYZ, it decomposed into XY and Z. For example, calcium carbonate is a compound. If we heat this calcium carbonate, it decomposed into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. The second example is potassium chlorate. Potassium chlorate is a compound. If we heat this potassium chlorate, it decomposed into potassium chloride and oxygen gas. The second is addition or combination reaction. In this reaction, when two or more substances combine to form a single substance. I am saying substances. I am not saying two elements or two compounds. I am saying substances. A substance may be two elements, a substance may be one element and one compound, right? So, in this reaction, when two or more substances to form a single substance, it is called addition or combination reaction. These reactions are reverse of decomposition reactions. For example, when we pass carbon dioxide into calcium oxide, it forms calcium carbonate, right? Here I have shown illustrate with the help of diagram. In a test tube, I have taken calcium oxide, and with the help of delivery tube, I have passed carbon dioxide in this test tube. This calcium oxide react with carbon dioxide and form calcium carbonate. The second example is when sodium react with chlorine, it forms sodium chloride. Now the third chemical reaction is a single replacement or single displacement reaction. In this reaction, one atom or group of atoms of a compound is replaced by another atom or group of atom. For example, AB is a compound. When it reacts with C, C replaced B and form bond with A, and a new compound is formed, that is AC, and B is replaced. For example, when zinc react with hydrochloric acid, it replaced hydrogen gas. When zinc react with hydrochloric acid, it replaces hydrogen gas and zinc chloride is formed and hydrogen gas is replaced. The second example, when sodium react with water, sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is formed. I have written the water. When sodium react with water, water is H2O, HOH. I can also write water in this form. When sodium react with water, sodium hydroxide is formed and again hydrogen gas is replaced. The third example is when chlorine react with potassium bromide, it replaces bromide, form calcium chloride and bromine. Now number 4 chemical reaction is a double displacement reaction. In this reaction, two compounds exchange their partner, right? When AB react with CD, AD is formed and BC is formed. One thing is very important in this chemical reaction. Here I have given the example of sodium chloride and silver nitrate. Sodium is a metal, silver is a metal, right? Sodium react with nitrate and silver react with chloride, right? And sodium nitrate and silver chloride is formed. One thing is very important, replacement takes place between metal, exchange of ions replace between metals, right? Metal does not react with metal. Sodium and Ag cannot form bond with each other. Sodium bonded with nitrate and silver bonded with chloride, right? The second example is calcium chloride react with sodium carbonate to form calcium carbonate and sodium chloride. Here calcium replaced sodium and formed calcium carbonate and sodium replaced calcium and formed sodium chloride, right? Now the fifth example is combustion reaction. In combustion reaction, any substance react with oxygen, either it is free oxygen or oxygen of the air. In this reaction, heat and flame released rapidly, right? In combustion reaction, one thing is very important, that is substance react with oxygen with the release of heat and flame. For example, if we burn carbon in air, it forms carbon dioxide with the release of heat energy and also produce red flame. When we ignite methane gas, right? Methane gas burns in air. Methane gas, we use methane gas in cooking food, right? Methane gas burns in air to form carbon dioxide and water with the release of heat energy, and it burns with blue flame, right? So these things are very important in combustion reaction. Again I am repeating, In combustion reaction, a substance react with oxygen to form a compound, right? And with the release of heat and flame. Thank you very much, class. Allah Hafiz.